Hey everyone! Before we get started, let's feature today's juice recipe. Today's recipe is a papaya juice that I called Cloud 9. This juice has papaya, orange, celery, and green apple. This juice comes from my menu of over 27 juices and wellness shots. If you haven't already, head over to the website shared here by clicking the link in the description box so you will be notified when I drop my first ebook of juice recipes that will help you heal your body from the inside out. Now, let's get into the video. Springtime means getting outside, picnics at the park, day trips with family and friends, and warmer weather. Perfect for refreshing juices and mocktails that won't leave you feeling heavy and gross. Today, I'm sharing 2 juice recipes that are the perfect addition to your springtime routines. In this first juice, we have a refreshing raspberry delight made of raspberry, lime, cucumber, and mint. But the star of the show that we're focusing on is the mint. Mint is an overlooked powerhouse, and I want to share some of the benefits of adding mint leaves to your juices. Mint is perhaps most popularly known as a remedy to digestive problems. It can help soothe indigestion and alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome due to its ability to relax the muscles in the digestive tract. 2. It provides relief from nausea. The aroma in mint has been shown to alleviate nausea and motion sickness. Although not a guarantee, it's worth giving it a try if you experience morning sickness or all-day sickness. 3. Respiratory health. Mint's menthol content can help clear up the respiratory tract and provide relief from congestion, coughs, and sinuses. 4. Mental focus. The scent of mint has been associated with increased alertness and cognitive function. It can stimulate the brain and improve concentration. 5. Skin health. Mint has an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it beneficial for skin conditions such as acne. 6. Weight management. Because mint is low in calories, it is the perfect alternative to sugary drinks, as it helps curb cravings and helps with weight management or weight loss. Lastly, mint has antioxidant properties, which means it helps protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants contribute to overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Be careful though not to consume too much mint in large amounts because it can have adverse effects such as heartburn or stomach cramps. And people with GERD should avoid mint as it can be known to trigger their symptoms. All right, so this juice is, as you saw, raspberry, cucumber, mint, and lime. So let's see how it tastes. It's very, very refreshing, like I knew that it would be. Like cucumber and mint are like a dynamic duo. Like I feel like when you have mint, you just have to have cucumber. I don't know, anyway. Very refreshing, very, very, very refreshing. Not overly sweet because the raspberries are like more tart, but very, very doable. And I do believe I will be adding this one to the menu for spring. Go get you some. Okay. So good. It's just so good. So good. I would rate this like an 8 or 9 out of 10 because mint is very much an acquired taste, but it's not doing anything wrong. It's just like I don't like peppermint, like I don't like menthol tasting things, like I don't like that. So for me, it's about an 8 out of 10. but mint is very good for you, especially the fresh plant mint is very good for you. So this drink is it's very much doing what it's supposed to do, and very refreshing for spring, a nice change of scenery, a nice like change of weather, more sunny days like at the park. This is very much giving like picnic park days. So 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 recommend. So good. For the next juice, we've got kale, spinach, green apple, cucumber, celery, ginger, and lime. Today's star is the lime. Limes are another underrated bestie that don't get enough credit. Being of the citrus family, they are high in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy immune system, as well as antioxidants such as flavonoids, limonoids, and phenolic compounds, which protect the cells from damage caused by free radicals. Although there are many different types of limes, including the key lime, the desert lime, and the Persian lime, the most commonly available lime in the US is the Persian lime. 3. Limes help with digestion. The acidity of lime juice can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes which promote digestion. This makes it a great addition to a juice detox. 4. Weight management. Also low in calories and containing soluble fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and prevent overeating, including lime juice in the diet can support weight loss and weight management goals. 5. Reduced risk of kidney stones. Citric acid found in the abundance of limes can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urinary citrate levels. Regular consumption of lime juice may reduce the risk of developing certain types of kidney stones. 6. Improved heart health. The flavonoids and potassium in limes have been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while flavonoids can improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. Adding limes into your diet as a part of a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being. All right, second recipe. This one is kale, spinach, green apples, cucumber, celery, lime, and ginger. Green juices are always my favorite. Like, always my favorite. I don't know why, but always my favorite. And this one is no different. It's just so good. I would definitely have to give this a 9 out of 10 because the ginger is not as strong as I like it, but I'm making juice for 2 here, so but it's good. It's very good, passes the test. I think this would satisfy someone who is detoxing. I think this would also satisfy someone who is on a weight loss journey. I think this would satisfy someone who is on a juice fast. I think this is a perfect option. So get your greens in. So good. Well, that is going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys will see me in my next video. Bye.